Hello traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily US dollar index review. My name is Martin Rhymes. Today's date is Sunday, December 8, 2013. And I'd like to ask you to please check out hitthemarktrading.com. While you're there, look over on the contacts page for the opportunity to sign up for weekly blog updates and Rooster Call. Now, Rooster Call is a morning email that I send to clients. Basically a very brief review after I've looked at the charts and the overnight news wires. And since we do our homework the night before, we're just looking for any indication of whether we're ready to enter a trade, or will anything happen that we should manage our trades differently. Okay, so I put that out in the morning for clients. I'd like to send it to you for free. Now, remember, everything in this video is for your educational purposes only. Let's go to the charts. I want to start with a monthly chart of US dollar index. Just a little history here. Gosh, 85 has been the top for over, what is it, over 2 years, 3 years, the top. So if we ever break 85, that's an event. 79,500 has been the bottom for so many, 2008, right? A little bit lower, but this is basically held. So until we see a breakout of this range, we can't really get excited, can we? I don't think so. Now, let's take a look at the weekly. Nice uptrend on the weekly. Okay? Nice uptrend on the weekly. So if we touch to the bottom, we expect to pull back up. Now, I'm going to make a line here on our indicator. I really don't have time to talk in a 5-minute video about how we trade this, but this is something we should be watching. This and this right here. Very important to us. Okay, wrong color. No problem. Now let's look at the daily. What you see is the weekly chart. Even though we're up, we're going through an intermediate downtrend. What is an uptrend? A series of higher lows. Okay? Okay. Let's go to the daily chart. And the daily is in a downtrend. How's that? Daily is in a downtrend. Weekly is in a bigger picture uptrend. And we just keep wanting to go lower here. Okay? So we've been watching this, and I'm going to make another line here on our indicator. It'll just give us a heads up. Very good. Okay. So if we see this red line broken, then that suggests we break up to the top. That's going to be very, very positive for us, and it will keep in line going in the direction of the weekly, which wants to climb higher. Okay? Okay. Now I'm going to go to the intraday chart. All right, well, the initial news, this is the funny thing about trading currencies, okay? The initial news at 8:30 comes out. Very good jobs report, and boom, they take the price up. And all of a sudden, they knock it down, just start knocking it down. And I asked a friend of mine, a foreign currency expert, I said, why do they do this? I mean, if it's great economic news in the U.S., why do they sell it off? Doesn't make any sense. And the guy laughed, and he told me that what they're doing is they're projecting that if it's good news in the USA, largest economy in the world, even though everyone else in the world is lousy, The fact that the USA is improving suggests that in 6 months other economies will follow. So they simply want to get a jump, and they sell off the US dollar and they buy into other currencies such as the euro. Now, obviously with the yen, there's no reason to buy into that when you've got the government on a committed currency debasement program. Okay, I'm going to draw a line right here like this. So over to the right are floor pivots for Monday. How do we trade this? Well, we should expect that we're going to probably pop right back up here to the main floor pivot. If we break to the upside, breaking this line, then I think we're going to run all the way up to, well, at least right here, minimum. Okay. But they'll try to retest the high. And that's right here. Okay. Whoops. Come here. They'll try to retest that. To the downside, I'm missing a line here, I see. Okay. To the downside, they'll probably take this down to, if we continue, down to this level. Okay? Very good. Nothing special. Great U.S. report, so trash the currency. I will talk to you on Monday.